Okay, folks, we're on a mission today. I gotta make a quick frame. Quick frame to shift, to move a large motorbike with no wheels on it, but they want it to be able to shift it around the building until it's ready to be de-engined. So I can't see any problem at all in that, can you? So let's get over there. I'll turn this around on the pretense you just never know what you're gonna fucking see. Well, the thing is, I had my camera still set on time-lapse because I love doing time-lapse. I got a couple of old jockey wheels, chop the wheels off, simple as. Got a couple of scrappies, scrappy lengths, and I cut a 1-inch hole in them with the plasma. Right, I'm still cutting the wheels off here, so you know, even though it's time-lapse, I'm going slowly. There's two bits of scrap, cut a 1-inch diameter hole in, times 2, and that I used that tube to just make sure it did fit, because I didn't want to do it twice. You see, I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. So that's the tools cut. I cut the ends off square. Now we need a piece of angle iron. Abracadabra, bing! One piece of angle iron. I measured it to about, I think it was about 14 inches. And I plasma cut that as well, because I'm a lazy get and I don't like using disc cutting blades. Plasma is a lot faster, as we all know. Measure the centre. And I'm going to weld these two long bits with the 20mm hole in. I'm just playing around with the wheel here. Will I, won't I? And I ended up saying no, I won't, will I, won't. So there, I'm going to weld that on there like that. And we're going to scrap the forks on the wheels. I'm just blowing out the, it had one of them split pins in here, so I just blew that out and I beat out the pin. Right, I should be now setting up the welder, I should think. No, good God, I got to just cut down, flapping off the dross slag and making it look pretty, so I can weld it up. I can weld it like a real welder. There. Right. Just square everything up pretty, just in case anybody's watching. And we will turn the gas on. Get a square. I use actually a piece of wood as a square. And now we will start the welding. And I will read the text while you are watching the welding. YouTube. Okay. YouTube talking to me. Right, I welded them two up like that because that silver pin at the top is going to be the back axle of the motorbike. Okay, understand it? And what's going to happen is the whole thing is going to swing underneath the bike like an old back wheel motorbike stand in the old days, I know. So it's going to swing up underneath. I'm now looking for some tubing. Here, tubey. Here, there it is. I cut off about 2 6-inch lengths, which is plenty. Sound effects. Sound effects. That's plenty. And I banged the original, the wheel axle is only a tube anyways, and this tube actually nearly fitted in the other tube, so I smashed it in there. Now I'm going to weld the smaller tube. There it is. I'm still beating that one into there, right? We're going to weld that on there now, and then that gives us the original wheel axle. This is, shut your eyes. Good God, you got a mask on. You must be good. So do that both ends. Job done. Thank you very much. Now, the wheels on the bus go round. I'm sorry I did this time lapse because you know I'm pretty good on the old chin way, but right, there it is. Scratch my head. Right. Now the wheel should go on there, you see. Right. She was slightly a bit out of jar. Right, there's the wheels, they go on there. One wheel was really bent, so we happened to find another one because we find plenty of these wheels, because people tend to drive off with a jockey wheel down, you see, and it bends the complete tube, and they gotta buy a new one. And then we sometimes end up with brand new wheels and tyres, because they won't change the wheel and tyre. They know, they chuck them, they scrap them, not worth the effort. So I usually find a lot of wheels brand new. But, right, I'm gonna just weld on 2 braces on the inside, so you don't need to feel with anything. I'm trying to show you, and if I didn't have time lapse on, I would have been showing you how easy it is. Look at that man there. Will you look at him? Will you look at him? He's bloody great. Right, there's a couple of braces. Job done. Scratch my head again if I want to. And that's basically it. That's how quick it was. I actually found split pins to put back in the wheels, so it looks like it was like a real job, you know what I mean? Like a real job. Yeah, look at that. A split pin. Bend them over like professionals. Why you bend them right backwards like that, I don't know, because there's actually no need to bend them right backwards. It's purely to stop you scratching your head, I suppose, walking past. And that was it. Oh, it's quite a good looking fella. Well, that's my echo. Yeah, time lapse is not the thing.